I am with another YouTube video, and today it's Animal Jam with my friend Shaylee. And it's Animal Jam.
So, what do you wanna play a game?
Sure.
Join me.
Oh, you're going to go down.
Remember I was the master of this last year?
Yeah. But I am this year.
Dang it. It was a draw. I don't want to each get 10. I want to get 20 gems.
I think it might be the middle one. Dang it! You are good at this game. I earned 5 gems. Okay. Now, my choice. My choice. And I know a game that you're bad at.
Well, actually, I'm not that bad at it. I thought you were going to pick the ice cream one.
Oh, I hate that one. I'm terrible at it.
Same. Okay, I get it.
This is a huge risk. I got out more of yours than mine. And none of this was planned.
None of it was planned. We literally just started talking.
Yeah.
Dang it.
You got out 4 of mine. Okay, Shaylee, you're going down. No, 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 no. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh man.
I hate life.
Cool. Good for you.
Now,
go to the summer festival. Go to the summer festival.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Since it's summer, there's a summer festival.
Carnival or whatever.
Summer thing. And I miss the cotton candy. Okay, where?
I'm gonna go get some. Me at the cotton candy machine.
Okay, where is the flyer for the summer festival?
We're on to the parties.
Wait. Oh yeah, it's in parties.
No, done.
Are you here?
Welcome. Hi, Rush.
Okay.
I'm just gonna step out of the frame for a little bit.
Okay. But are you here?
What?
Are you here?
I'm at the cotton candy game.
Do you see me? I'm right. Look, I am right there.
The penguin?
No, the rhino.
Where are you? I'm a rhino.
Yes.
Where are you?
I think I might need to switch servers.
What server are you on?
I don't know. Which one's the button?
I don't care.
Oh, wait, if I teleport to you.
Yes.
I'm here.
See you.
The overpass. Okay, I'm going to do cotton candy.
What kind are you getting?
Phantom.
What is that, just black?
Oh, you're going to find out.
Wait. You get 3, and that's Phantom. That's 3 blacks and Phantom.
No, I did it incorrectly.
3 blacks and Phantom. Or not.
I think it's black, white.
White.
Yes, I think it's black, white, then black. White, then black to black. Play on. Yeah, it's black, white, black. That's what it is.
I think because, like, the eyes and stuff.
And I did a play on word. Get it? I did white, then black I said black, then white, then black to black. Pun. I meant play on words.
I don't like this shirt.
Okay, I'm playing this candy one. I'm playing the candy game.
Okay.
And last YouTube video that I did on Animal Jam, it was so laggy, so I got a gaming computer.
Cool.
Like, I actually couldn't post YouTube videos for a long time.
Howdy, YouTubes. Wait. Daddy,
What?
you know how excessive pigs, right?
Yeah?
No rhino.
Yeah, you have to be a pig. If you don't know, Shaylee is obsessed with pigs, and of course you don't know because this is the first time that she's on a YouTube video, but if you are...
I am literally wearing pig ears. Pig ears.
Yeah. In drama club, we did a play, and she was a pig in the play.
We had to go outside and everything. It was so...
Oh, I'm doing whack a phantom. Whack, whack. Whackity, whack, whack. Whack, whack.
Just to be in the spirit, I'm gonna wear my pink shirt.
Okay. Is this Shane Dawson shirt? Because Shane Dawson is a pig. Shane Dawson even makes jokes about him being a pig. One of his shirts actually is a pig, and there's words around it saying, "Oh my god."
Oh my freaking god.
After this game, I'll show you. And I'll also show the YouTube. And remember, no sponsorships. Not sponsored by Shane Dawson. He's just awesome.
No spot.
Non-spawns. Wait, why did I press play again? Why did I press play again?
I don't know. I don't have your life. I don't know your life story. Stupid phantoms. Whack, 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 whacked, whack. Whackity, whack, 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 whoa, whoa, whack! Whack, 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 Yeah.
whack,
The things I'm obsessed with are pigs and Taylor Swift.
whack. Yeah. And her username on House Party is Pig Perfect. These pigs are perfect. No.
Pig Perfect 16. If you do yellow, orange, white, you can get like a paw with claws. Teddy, where are you?
Looking at Shane Dawson's merch.
Oh my gosh. If you were live streaming, this would be even better. Because that'd also be found on the website.
But perfect. Oh my god. There's also a tank top.
Wow. Stop. Hey, are you almost done the game?
Oh, I'm done. Oh,
It's
Shaylee.
my account.
Shaylee. She's so cute. She's so cute. Look at this little guy. Shaylee, look at this little guy.
Well, that's 1,000 tickets. And I only have 681.
Oh, I'm getting a new cat, and it's so cute.
Can you show me a picture if you have any? Oh, look up what she might look like. What she does look like.
He.
Like a similar.
Oh, here.
What kind of cat is she? Or he?
Black cat. I'm going to send you a picture.
I can look on it as a floating text.
Okay. Shaylee,
Yeah.
look at your text messages.
Nothing came up yet. Yeah, nothing came up yet.
Is there a way I could put up?
I got it.
Isn't he so cute?
Oh my god.
And I was holding him when we went to visit him, and he fell asleep in my arms. I'm sad YouTube can't see it.
YouTube can't see it. If we can magically get it to work.
I actually can.
This is how I don't care.
It'll actually just take a little bit of editing and very, very hard work. Pain and suffering. But
This is what I wanted my hair to look like, but my mom said no.
yeah, I know why she said no. But
I don't want it anymore, but
it's
still.
it's just my friends like that I already showed a picture to, like probably that watched this video, and yeah.
When are you posting it?
It'll take 30 minutes when I post it, so probably an hour for now.
Or something. I'll watch it before I go to my campground.
Okay. It'll probably be up 1 to 2 hours by now.
Now?
Yeah.
But I remember I was so mad at you that I unsubscribed to you, so let me go quickly subscribe again.
Traitor.
You don't remember when I was so mad at you?
Mad at me for what?
I don't even remember.
Was it the art thing?
I think. And we both said, I said I'll unsubscribe to you, and you're like, please no, don't. I'm like,
I never said please no, don't. I just said I actually didn't say anything.
so. It's Montebergie828 Teddy, underscore Teddy, right?
No underscore, just space. Space.
Take out the underscore.
You see this? This is called space. Not underscore, space.
It won't let me. Did you like delete your channel or something?
No.
Maybe I should look it up and not on YouTube.
If you search it up on Google, the second thing will be my sushi cat video. And then if you click on that,